Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to link your website or any search on Google to your Instagram bio. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to add your website link to your bio on Instagram? It's easy actually. So first of all, visit your website. So here I just going to, you can also use the Google search. Also you can just make it like this. For an example, here I just searched for my another channel, Tech Tamil Dots. So I just going to copy the URL on the top and just going to paste this URL on the edit profile, going to the add link option near bio and click on the add external link. Now type as my website, whatever that you want to give in the title, and here you just paste the URL, and here you can just type as your channel name or like that, anything like tech. Okay, click on option on OK. Now it shows as tech and click OK. Now your profile is updated. If you click this website link, it automatically goes to the and search as Tech Tamil Dots, so it will shows the search about you. You can also use for any website that you have been created, just copy the URL on the website link, and then you just need to click on the edit profile, click on the link option and just edit the link and paste it. This is how you just add your website link on your Instagram account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.